These are the things that you get with it. It's the remote. And you get the sliding panels. So the shortest the sliding panel goes to is, let's say 20.5 inches. And it does say that you can cut these shorter. But because of my situation, I did not want to cut this. And I'll tell you why. So this is the window I'd like to put this unit in, which is only about 14 inches wide. It's actually 13 7/8. The other option I have is this window, which measures just under 19.5 inches. I have a third option for a window that's much wider, but it's not in a room that I really need the air conditioner in. As the third option for a window is not in the room I need the air conditioner in. Instead of cutting this to size, I bought an inexpensive kit, and I bought it on Amazon, and I had this one cut down to fit the window, which is centrally located in our house. Hopefully that's going to work. And if not, then I can use the one that came with the air conditioner in the room that we really don't need the air conditioner in. There's the air conditioner unit, which, by the way, rolls really nicely. So I don't have it set up now because it's only like 50 or 5 degrees or something like that. But I'm going to plug it in and just run it really quick to see what it sounds like. Okay, because I don't have this set up and ventilated through the window yet, I'm just gonna see what this sounds like really quick. Okay, so we have low, alrighty. That is definitely more powerful than I anticipated. And that's on low. Wow. There's a fan. Dry fan. I bet you the fan doesn't need to be ventilated. I really like this unit. Hopefully my little setup will work. Fingers crossed.